Good morning, students. Now in chapter 13, surface area and areas and volumes. Next exercise, exercise 13.5. In this exercise, we are going to learn about volume of a cuboid. So as you know that cuboid is a three-dimensional shape. Length, breadth and height. So L is the length of cuboid, B is the breadth of cuboid and H is the height of cuboid. So volume of a cuboid, the measure of this occupied space is called the volume of the object. So volume of cuboid is equal to base area into height, you can write it, and base area, so its base is a rectangle of length L and breadth B. So base area is length into breadth, L into B into height. Clear? So we can say that volume of cuboid is L into B into H, where L is the length of cuboid, B is the breadth and H is the height of the cuboid. Clear? Now, in case of cube, edge of cube is A. It means its length is A, its breadth is A and height is also equal to A. So to find the volume of the cube, you have to put L is equal to B is equal to H is equal to A in the formula of volume of cuboid. Then you can find volume of the cube. So volume of cube is equal to A cube, you can write. Clear? Now see the example. Example 1. A wall of length 10 meter was to be built across an open ground. The height of the wall is 4 meter and thickness of the wall is 24 centimeter. If this wall is to be built up with bricks whose dimensions are 24 centimeter by 12 centimeter by 8 centimeter, then how many bricks would be required? Clear? So here dimensions of bricks is given and also dimension of wall is given. You have to find number of bricks. So since wall width of all its bricks make up of the space occupied by it, we need to find the volume of the wall, which is nothing but a cuboid. Clear? So length of wall is given 10 meter. So length of wall is 10 meter. Convert it in centimeter because dimensions of bricks are in centimeter. Thickness of wall is 24 centimeter and height of wall is 4 meter. Convert it in centimeter, which will be equal to 400 centimeter. So volume of the wall, L into B into H, means length into thickness into height. To put the values and calculate the volume of the wall. You have now for the bricks, each brick is a cuboid with length L is equal to 24 centimeter, breadth is equal to 12 centimeter and height is equal to 8 centimeter given. The volume of each brick length into breadth into height. Clear? So then number of bricks required is equal to volume of the wall upon volume of each brick. Clear? Number of bricks required to form to build a wall is equal to volume of the wall upon volume of each brick. So volume of wall is 1000 into 24 into 400, and volume of one brick is 24 into 12 into 8. So now calculate this. Then you have the wall require 4167 number of bricks 4167 is the answer. Clear, students? Now see the next example. Example number 2. A matchbox 4 centimeter by 2.5 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of the packet containing 12 such boxes? So given length, breadth and height of the matchbox. The volume of a matchbox is equal to L into B into H. Put the values and calculate it. So you have volume of matchbox. The volume of packet containing 12 boxes. Clear? So such matchboxes volume of a packet containing 12 such matchboxes is equal to 12 into 15, because volume of one matchbox is 15 centimeter cube. So volume of packet containing 12 such matchboxes will be 12 into 15 is equal to 180 centimeter cube is the answer. Clear, students? Now see next example. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long, 8 meter wide. How high must it to be hold 380 cubic meter of a liquid? So let height of the cuboidal vessel is equal to h meter, and you have to find its height. So volume of liquid in cuboidal vessel already given 380 meter cube. 380 cubic meter, it means volume is given 380 meter cube. And we know that volume is equal to L into B into H. So L into B into H is equal to 380. Put the value of L and B. Then H will be equal to 380 upon 10 into 8. Then you have height of the cuboidal vessel. Clear? See again here. Volume of cuboidal vessel is already given 380 cubic meter, means meter cube. Length is already given 10 meter. Breadth is already given 8 meter. So we know that volume is equal to L into B into H. Volume of cuboidal vessel is equal to L into B into H, and already volume is given 380. So L into B into H is equal to 380. Clear? So put the value of L, 10 into 8 into H is equal to 380. Then you can find height of the cuboidal vessel. Clear? So students, you have to solve all questions of exercise 13.5 with example. Okay students, thank you.